With Fin tasks, Fin doesn't just answer questions, it knows how to get things done. With tasks, you can easily teach Fin step by step rules so it can manage complex processes like rescheduling missed deliveries, updating account details, and even complex troubleshooting involving image analysis and multiple variables that Fin needs to consider, all without human help. When you let Fin handle procedures like these, you significantly reduce your human support volume and free up your team to focus on where they're most impactful. Let's walk through an example. Let's say you want to automate refund requests for damaged deliveries. First, you tell Fin when to trigger the task, describing it in natural language, just like you'd explain it to a new teammate. Next, you lay out the step-by-step instructions. Find the customer's most recent orders and confirm which one was damaged. Ask the customer for a photo, analyze the photo and decide if it's damaged. Thank the customer, and in the case of damage, pass to your structured rules to arrange a reorder. This ensures Fin consistently follows your policies and delivers reliable, predictable results. And if Fin can't find damage or is unsure, set it to flag for human review so only real claims are automatically approved. And the customer experience is outstanding. They get an instant response. Then Fin walks them through the process in a smooth, natural conversation. It's fast, efficient, and a far better customer experience than filling out a ticket form. Fin tasks combine the simplicity of natural language with the precision of rule-based logic to automate complex actions reliably, with a conversational experience for your customers and more time back for your team.